托马甚至农村那啦，长期学校等待，年轻学习啦，熊阿里把事情长人写的马上去么，听结巴的，也托呢啥着温水引导，长人第一弄到马头东，就有那把手，门头被建议，就引把那，你这个些呢，现在甚至呢，那家当，他都给学的啦，农学托巴当。他把的工商相关全部家用部去，跟着这句话全部确当。香港公嘛，7000多集全部那你走，类似马前位等这些小囊，各些担心，推举严的堂前，很久这头把了没得，小老年多年去长啊了，大话准备在这里去接把的，2700件啥个大话你一个弄了，没让全部你生意的人的，3年像阿里俺的旅游的，出去初级党，人家人民去人家7岁8年某某那啦，前面他们年底后过呢，从农家登记生育，马上全部从根到香港国嘛，趁着新年话，人那外家人不去确动，想求直面看到阿边给大人不去，想求直面看到阿边外家人不去，那么送历史马前位拉着跟头那把当，对蒙古节呢，公墓养育弄特别来话些几月，没让全部的你老大人间3年没着话弄到初级月把等，初班的你啦，班就加修动有呢，引导容易就上浪的初少比国家啦没得，家生比没让军人那呢，没让初比初门公墓养育弄特别来话些几月把人。聪明的多，老人阿哥直接谈不当，沿用没让全部错别假设，全在同作家下了个引导，弄得有切，但呢就对阿哥种菜当聪明的研究，香港呢没让错别的大家去就呢研究功德不错了，用那3年没着弄到，俺做没让错别进来也比，可能别个就那样，没啥也比，错嘛。公交也罢休，突击去。
Tashdile and greetings to all. As already announced, we, the third board members of North American Sakyamelam for World Peace, would like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to the 8th North American Sakyamelam for World Peace, which will take place in New York for 3 days from June 6th to June 8th of 2025 during the special occasion of Sagadawa, which is Buddha's Enlightenment Month. The morning session will be from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the afternoon session will be from 2 to 5 p.m. The main goals of this Menlam or spiritual gathering is to offer long life prayers for His Holiness the Dalai Lama, His Holiness Sakya Trichin Rinpoche, as well as fulfillment of their wishes and those of all other spiritual teachers. And most essentially, to collectively pray and aspire to pacify the natural disasters, unfortunate wars, to prevent diseases that are so prevalent in today's world, thus leading us to a more prosperous and peaceful world. We are very honored to have His Holiness 42nd Ratna Vajra Rinpoche, Their Eminences Avikrita Vajra Rinpoche and Abhaya Vajra Rinpoche to preside over this year's Melam, along with Sanghas and devotees from different parts of US as well as internationally. On Sunday afternoon at 2 p.m., which is June 8th, a long life initiation of Chime Pame Nyentik, which is the heart essence of the Sublime Lady of Immortality, will be bestowed by His Holiness 42nd Ratna Vajra Rinpoche. Since our spiritual gathering or Melam is held in different states each year, we also hope that you would join us to provide financial support for its continuation and, most importantly, to create an opportunity to accumulate merits. One can offer a yearly membership fee of $60, or for those who wish to sponsor for ritual offerings such as altar and flower offerings, as well as meal and tea offerings to the Sanghas and devotees during the 3-day Melam, can do so by visiting our official website or through local board members of your state. To conclude, we hope to see as many of you as possible at this upcoming North American Sakya Melam for World Peace, and we look forward to seeing you all. Tujushe.
首先，即向各位聆听者这一诚挚的问候。正如先前已发布公告所示，第8届北冥萨迦世界和平祈愿大法会即将举行。本次法会旨在诉讼前途当今世界人人同系的战争、自然灾害等种种危险障碍，使一切有情众生无论当下或究竟皆能获得平安与福乐。特别祈愿第14尊者达赖喇嘛和大金刚持萨迦赤心法王，能为上师为主的所有上师法体安康，弘法利世之宏远圆满成就。此次殊胜祈愿大法会将定于2025年6月6日至8日举行，为期3日，举办地点为美国纽约，在6月8日星期日下午2点，将为大众赐予无色拭目心髓之常数灌顶。此次祈愿法会的主法上师为中国的第42任萨迦法王大宝金刚仁波切和萨迦圆满功德两位法王者。无边金刚仁波切和我为金刚仁波切，同是众多来自不同教派的高师大德与圣众将莅临会场。我们诚挚期盼广大虔敬心中永远随行参与，倾心共襄受生社会。该祈愿法会一如往年，在北美不同城市屡屡举办。祈愿法会得以持续开展，离不开十方善心长久以来的发心和随行护持。这一是大众集聚福德自来、种下解脱之意的重要良机。自第3届祈愿法会起，我们祈愿能够更多信众加入会员行列，持续参与祈愿与护持。成为会员，每年急需缴纳$60的会费。此外，你亦是于法会期间供养香灯花果的供品、饮食或者其他物资，作为布施功德。所有供养额 会员表格和相关卷卡，均可通过法会官网填写提交，或亦可与世界各地的法会委员单位转交你的姓名和供养。再次诚挚感谢你的慈悲随行与护着，谢谢。